Here, beauty rises from Danxia cliffs, from graceful ranges, from the charm of rock tea, and from the culture of Zhu Xi. Wuyi Mountain marks the boundary between the hills of southeast China and those south of the Yangtze, with a mid-subtropical forest ecosystem represented by primary evergreen broad-leaved forests. It carries a treasure house of southeastern species and vital ecological functions. The formal establishment of Wuyi Mountain National Park strengthens China's southeastern ecological security barrier, protects typical natural ecosystems and rich biodiversity, and helps pass on precious cultural and natural heritage. Wuyi Mountain National Park lies in the northern section of the Wuyi Range, along the border of Fujian and Jiangxi. Its officially established area integrates the Wuyi Mountain ecosystem across 280 square kilometers. Here, elevation changes sharply, vegetation types are rich, and vertical zones and community patterns are clearly layered. With primary evergreen broad-leaved forest as its main body, this is one of China's most representative mountain forest ecosystems along the southeastern coast, and one of the world's most typical mid-subtropical primary forest ecosystems at the same latitude. The park provides an excellent environment for wild plants and animals to survive and reproduce. It is home to 829 higher plant species, 655 wild vertebrate species, and 849 insect species, about one-fifth of all insect species recorded in China. It shelters key protected wild plants such as the Chinese yew and forms a core habitat for protected animals including the black muntjac and Cabot's tragopan. It is also a refuge and concentrated home for many ancient relict species. Biologists at home and abroad call it a paradise for birds, a kingdom of snakes, and a world of insects. It is a world source of biological type specimens and a key to studying Asian amphibians and reptiles with exceptional value for species and habitat protection. It is also one of China's 4 UNESCO sites inscribed as both World Cultural and Natural Heritage. Its unique natural scenery is represented by the Nine Bend Stream, Danxia landforms, and the Wuyi Grand Canyon. Rugged, majestic, and breathtaking in scale, these landscapes form a magnificent scroll of Wuyi's mountains and waters, with powerful appeal and impact. Wuyi Mountain is also an important Buddhist and Taoist mountain in China, and a place where Zhu Xi's Neo-Confucianism originated and was passed down. It is one of the birthplaces of tea germplasm resources and tea culture, and a major area of activity for the ancient Minyu people. Wuyi Mountain National Park follows the principle that lucid waters and lush mountains are invaluable assets and has created a diversified mechanism for ecological compensation. Fujian Province has continued to raise compensation standards for public welfare forests in the core area. With farmers' voluntary participation, it has expanded the redemption of commercial forests in key locations and explored trusteeship mechanisms for community bamboo forests. These steps help safeguard Wuyi Mountain's precious resources of clear waters and green mountains. Through ecological compensation, residents are encouraged to take part in ecological management. Measures such as forest landscape resource compensation and ecological ranger programs guide communities into active protection. A coordination mechanism has begun to take shape, allowing ecological protection and community development to coexist in harmony. Nature is generous, and the wonder of creation has endowed Wuyi Mountain with this thriving natural treasure house. With the formal establishment of the national park, the diligent and wise people of Wuyi are moving forward with innovative ideas and refined management. With renewed spirit, they stride confidently along the path of practicing the two mountains theory. Their goal is to build Wuyi Mountain National Park into a pioneering model of harmonious development between people and nature.